Hi there, I'm Melissa Galbraith, the fiber artist behind MCreativeJ, and today I'm going to show you how to do the double darning stitch. For this one, we use the running stitch, which is a dashed line, so it's short stitches that leave spaces in between them. For this one, we want to bring our needle up where we want our line to start, and we're going to go forward about 1/4 of an inch. We'll leave a space, and we'll come on up, and again we'll go forward about 1/4 of an inch, and we'll keep going along our line, making short stitches with gaps to fill the length here. So once you get to the end of your line, we're going to go backwards and fill in those gaps with more running stitches, just like the holbein stitch here. So we bring our needle up in the hole of that stitch, and we go down in the hole of that last stitch there. We're going to go back, filling in this row here. All right, this is our first row. Now we're going to add a second row on top of this. So I'll bring my needle up slightly above this first row, right in the same spot where my first row started. And I'm going to make a stitch the same length as that first stitch here. And then again, I'm going to leave a space and make another stitch the same length as that second stitch. And I'm going to repeat, working my way down this row to make my second row here. And now that I'm at the end of the row, I'm going to go backwards and fill in those gaps with more stitches. So we'll come on up, and then again, go back down in that hole here. So these running stitches will kind of look like columns as you make your stitches here. You can see they're all lining up. So the more rows you add, the taller these columns of stitches will get. And there we go. That is our double darning stitch. So I would continue adding rows stacked on top of this if I wanted to add more, but that is the basics of the double darning. So I hope you have fun with this, and of course more running stitches. For more stitch videos and tutorials, be sure to visit mcreativej.com. Happy stitching!